Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So today we're looking at this strategy right here, which was able to grow a $600 account into a $600 plus with this trade we are seeing right here, and also we took a trade on the big 50 1x. So you can see we have three trades been taken, and then two is running to a profit and one is running to a loss, which is the uh crash 500. We opened the crash 500 recently, so I'm just running into a little loss right here. So you can see this is right here. You can see this is the trade that we open, and then you can see $600 account, which you can see right here, and it's already been growing to a $500 plus with the strategy that I'm about to teach you guys here today. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime I post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Also guys, we do something, we offer account management. No matter how small or big your account is, just contact the number you're seeing at the screen for account management, and then we'll be able to assist you out, send you our terms, and then if you agree with our terms, then we are going to manage your account for you. So just contact the number you are seeing at the screen, see WhatsApp number, contact it, and then we are going to respond to you as soon as possible. So with that being said, let's quickly jump into the strategy right here. So firstly, we make sure that I first show you guys the settings for the strategy before I teach you how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. So this strategy is used on the 15-minute time frame, sometimes 5-minute time frame. So that is the time frame that can make use of the strategy. So this strategy works based on that two time frames. Okay. Now, if you want to add your indicator up, so we need this indicator which you are seeing, indicator window 1 and then the indicator window 2. So now just put this icon right here. When you get to that icon, click on it, and first thing I want to do is just clean everything up. So I'll delete everything up, and then we start from scratch. You can see I have a clean chart right here. So go to that icon and then click on the F plus. So when I click on the F plus, the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the RSI right here. So you can see we have the RSI right here. So click on the RSI, and then there's the parameters for the RSI. The period is going to be 15, apply to close, and the size is not necessarily. Now the levels, we need the 15, 85, and the 50 levels. So we set everything up like this, then click on done, and we are going to have your RSI right in your chart. Now the next indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the envelope. So click on the F plus, which is the going to be in our indicator window 1. So click on the F plus and search for the envelope. So you can see we have the envelope right here. Now click on the envelope. When you click on the envelope, there's the parameters for the envelope. The period is going to be 14, shift is 0, deviation is 0.002, and the method is going to be simple, apply to close, and the style. The upper band and the lower band is going to be blue, and the level is not necessarily. So when you set up like this, then click on done, and we are going to have your envelope right in your chart. Now the next indicator we're going to be adding is also going to be in our indicator window 1. So click on the indicator window 1 F plus and search for your moving average. So you can see we have a moving average right here. So click on the moving average, and this is the parameters for the moving average. The period is 6, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and the style is going to be the blue color. So we don't need the levels. When you set it up like this, then click on done, and you are going to have your moving average right in your chart. Now we have already set the indicator window 1 strategy. We've already set it up. Now the next thing we want to do is just set the indicator window 2 strategy up. So now set that up, then click on the main chart. Click on the F plus, which is going to be in our main chart. So click on the F plus main chart, and then set for your awesome oscillator, which you can see right here. We have the awesome oscillator right there. Click on it, and then there's the parameters for the awesome oscillator. You just need to set it as default. Set everything as default, then click on save. So you are going to have your awesome oscillator right in your chart. Now as simple as that. Now this is the thing that we need to work through right here. Though I think we are seeing some setup right in right here in crash forest. So I think there's a mistake with this trade right here. So sorry guys, let me analyze this market well. So then I took the trade right here. So probably okay. So I think we should go off for this position right here. So just close all the uh crash. So then index will close up. And the thing we're gonna do right now is now I'm expecting to go for a sell right here because we have everything aligned with this strategy right here. We have all the confirmation right in the chart. Now, first thing I first make sure that I open this trade before I show you guys the confirmation that I see before taking this trade right here. So I'll be going for I'm going for a sell right here. So I think I should be going for a sell right here, but I'm expecting to go for a sell right in the market. When I see this change of character right here, you can see I want to go for a sell right at this area. So probably right at this area right here. So that's why I'm expecting to go for a sell. So I'll be using the sell limit right here. So I'm using sell limit. Okay. So let me open another position right here. So I think let me go for another one. So sorry, that was a mistake actually. So I think okay. So just let us just leave it like that. Leave it like that. Now, so what do I what the confirmation that I see before taking this entry right here? What are the confirmation that I see before taking any entries with this strategy right here? And the first thing you want to look out for right here is just look into your indicator window one. When you look into your indicator window one, this is the confirmation that we need to see before taking any entries. Now the first thing you want to see is you want to see a crossbar almost right there. So we want to see the black line crossing below the blue line at the 85 level of the RSI. Now you can see we have a crosses right here, which means that the blue line crossing the black line crossing below the blue line. When crosses that indicates that the market is going for a sell. And probably I should have opened this position, but I think that was a mistake happens right there. But thank God I was able to see the entries. Okay, now see we need to see this confirmation right here. This black line crossing below the blue line at the 85 levels of the RSI. You can see these 85 levels of the RSI. When you see that, then you want to look into your indicator window too. Now you want to see this also oscillator changing. So we want to see the oscillator changing from green to black, which means that the oscillator needs to change from green right there to black. When it changes, then that indicates that the market is going for a sell. So just simple strategy right here. Now let me show you guys the trade that I took here on jump index. So you can see first thing that we look into right here is that we have a clean chart pattern right here. We have a clean chart pattern which is the drop top right here. Now the second thing that we see is that we look into our chart right here and then we see that the some structure has changed from green to red, changing from green to red. When it changes, then we look into our indicator window one and we see this right here. We see that it's changing. It has changed from the black has crossover, which means that it's crossover at the 85 levels of the RSI. The black line crossing below the blue line. So that was the crossover that happens right there, and that is confirmation that we need to see before taking any entries with the strategy. And if you want to go for a buy right here, if you want to go for a buy, let's say you want to go for a buy now. To go for a buy right with this strategy, the first thing you want to see is that you want to see the crossovers happens right here, which means that it needs to cross. Which means that the black line needs to cross above the blue line at the 15 levels. When it crosses, then you want to look at your oscillator right here, changing from red to green, change from red to green. This is the overbought levels and this is the oversold level. So that is how we are going to use strategy to take trade. Just post straightforward strategy, and it's one of the simple strategy you can be using to make money trading these PSAs, Prima Crash, the VIX, and the Jump Index. Just simple as that. Same thing applicable on the crash indices. So just that you want to want to make sure that you want to go for a buy, then you want to make sure that you see the crossover happens right here. And when the crossover happens, then you want to look at your indicator window 2 at the Shimoku changing from red to green. When you see that, then that's when you want to, to go for a buy. So as simple as it is, as simple as this strategy is. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And if I post strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.